Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if you are encountering a DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error message while trying to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. It indicates an issue with DirectX or your graphics card or game settings. Here is a step-by-step guide to fix this error. The first step is to update your graphics drivers. To update your graphics drivers, you just need to open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing this, just close up here. The second step is to update DirectX. Ensure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. To update your DirectX, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Click on the download option and download it. After getting downloaded, you just need to install this application, guys. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. The third step is to run the game as administrator. Running the game with administrative privileges can solve permission related issues. To do this, you just need to right click on the MW3 executable file or shortcut file on the desktop and select run as administrator and run the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth step, guys. The fourth step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause DirectX errors. Verifying the integrity of game files can fix this issue. To do this, open up Steam, go to library. You just need to right click on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and select properties. Select the installed files and you need to select the verify integrity of game files, guys. After getting verified done, you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then let's move on to the fifth step, guys. The fifth step is to adjust in-game settings. Sometimes lowering the game's graphics settings can resolve DirectX errors. To do this, you just need to launch MW3 and you just need to go to the options and go to graphics settings. You just need to lower the settings like resolution, texture quality and disable features like anti-aliasing. After disabling these features, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the sixth step, guys. The sixth step is to update Windows. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date as updates often includes DirectX improvements and fixes. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Comes up Windows Update settings, click on open it. Select check for updates and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting your up to date, you just need to close stuff here. The seventh step is to reinstall DirectX Redistributables. Reinstalling the DirectX Redistributables can fix corrupted DirectX components. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. DirectX End User Runtimes June 2010. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to run the installer and follow the instructions. After the installation done, you just need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the DirectX encountered an unrecoverable error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.